YouTube hit $60 billion worth of revenue in 2025, but how do YouTube actually make their money? So looking at this BBC News article, YouTube's $60 billion revenue revealed. Let's look into the article. Google has revealed YouTube brought in more than $60 billion or 44 billion pounds in revenue in 2025 as the firm targets getting more subscribers. So how do YouTube actually generate revenue? I have a business that is heavily based around YouTube. I have a dance competition, we upload it to YouTube, we get money from ad revenue, we get sponsors on the channel. So let me break down how YouTube make money. So they have two main ways they make money. Is from advertisers and it's from subscriptions. So when you're watching a video and there's an ad placed in the middle of the video, there is a company that's paying to be placed there. They pay through Google AdSense, and obviously Google owns YouTube, so that is one revenue. And the second revenue is from subscription. It's through subscriptions. You have YouTube Premium, YouTube Music, and YouTube TV. I don't actually know what YouTube TV is. I use YouTube Premium and I get YouTube Music included with that. I think it's good value. I watch YouTube all the time instead of TV. So to have no adverts for me is worth the subscription fee. I'm sure a lot of you guys will have YouTube Premium as well. So it's a very simple business model, two main ways of income. And when we compare it to Netflix, where Netflix original model was subscriptions, and Netflix actually made $45 billion in 2025, which is 15 billion less than YouTube. Netflix are trying to move to ads now. So I haven't used Netflix in a long time, but I'm pretty sure now you have different subscription levels where you get ads in between your movies and your videos when you're watching Netflix, as well as the subscription revenue as well. So YouTube are trying to get more subscriptions, Netflix are trying to get more ads. It's just interesting to see how both companies are trying to monetize, but it seems like YouTube are coming out on top. And the numbers definitely show this. So YouTube received around 40 to 45 billion dollars in ad revenue last year and 15 to 20 billion in subscriptions, and that is 125 million paid subscribers across YouTube Music and YouTube Premium. This is 25 million more than the year before, where it was 100 million. And more interestingly, YouTube is now the #1 streaming platform on TV. It's not Netflix, it's not Hulu, it's not Amazon Prime. It's actually YouTube, with almost 10% of all TV usage. Like I mentioned, one of my businesses is heavily reliant on YouTube, and I've noticed a shift between say 50 to 60% of our viewers watching it on their phone, and now it's 66% watching it on TV. So there's been a big shift in the last 5 or 10 years between people using YouTube as a mobile phone app to using it as a TV streaming service. So YouTube is definitely a platform I am doubling down on in 2026, and I think these numbers confirm it. As a business owner, as a content creator, YouTube is going in the right direction compared to some of these other channels. But let me know your thoughts on this. Is YouTube your #1 social media platform? How do you monetize your YouTube if you're a creator or a business owner? Follow me for more daily content. I'm broke, baby.